In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a drill down chart with parameter actions in Tableau. This is an essential skill for anyone who wants to make data exploration more dynamic and interactive for their audience. So, let's get right into it. First, start by opening the Tableau application on your computer. This is where we will begin building our drill down chart. Make sure your data is ready to go and loaded into Tableau. Now, our first task is setting up the basic framework of our chart. Drag the category field over to the rows shelf. This will be our primary dimension and will create the rows we need in our visualization. Next, from the data pane, drag the sales field over to the columns shelf. This will become our measure and dictate the height of each bar in our bar chart. Once you have your basic chart, ensure it is clear and easy to view by setting the view to entire view. This option ensures that your chart fits neatly within the available space in your worksheet. Now we'll start working on parameter actions, which are crucial for creating an interactive drill down effect. Click on the drop-down arrow in the data pane and select Create Parameter. In the dialog box that appears, give your parameter a clear and descriptive name. It helps to know at a glance what this parameter is for. Set the data type to string. The next step is deciding how data will be input into your parameter. Under Allowable Values, select List. This allows you to manually determine what values the parameter can take. Click Add from Field and choose Category. This will populate the parameter with the various categories within your data set. Additionally, add a value titled None to the list, which will function as a default or reset option. Now you can click OK to create the parameter. Now it's time to leverage your new parameter with a calculated field. Once again, click the drop-down and select Create Calculated Field. This field needs a specific name and an appropriate calculation method that utilizes the parameter you just created. When you're done, drag this newly created calculated field into the rows shelf, nestling it alongside your category field. With the foundation laid, it's time to bring your parameter into the workspace. Right-click the parameter you created and select Show Parameter. This will display the parameter on your worksheet, allowing users to interact with it directly. To finalize our drill down functionality, navigate to the Worksheet tab found on the top toolbar and select Actions. You'll then add a new action by selecting Add Action and choosing Change Parameter. Give this action a descriptive name and ensure that the source sheet is set to reflect the sheet you're working on. Set the Run Action On option to Select, which lets users change the parameter by selecting different elements of the chart. You'll want to make sure the target parameter and source field are correctly set, and then choose Set Value To, typing in None as the default. Click OK, and there you have it. Now you have a fully functional drill down chart with interactive parameter actions that should make exploring your data easier and more engaging for your audience.